Good afternoon to those who listen. It is April 14th, 2018, 5 p.m. I'm on default level. I don't see any real chemtrails. There's maybe one right there going by. We got some chem haze. A lot of chem haze by the sun. If you can see that. I know it's flashing. Hold on. Look at it flash though. It shouldn't flash like that. Okay, -3. Look at how big the sun simulator looks. And notice the shape now. It's not as weirdly, oddly shaped as usual. The bite out of the right is not there. Oh crap, here comes a bunch of clouds. Let's try to do the welder's lens really fast before it's too late. Before it's too late. Well, before the clouds get there. Alright, come on baby, where are you? There you are. Alright. This might get obscured in a minute. Alright, let me try to get it steady. There we go. I don't know if you're seeing anything, if there's anything below it, but it looks like I can see a square around it. That's probably obscured now. I'll leave it there for just a minute in case there is something there. Moving it to try to get in position. Alright, I think we're getting too much clouds, so let's zoom out. And let's go down to -3. Alright, here comes a cloud. A strange looking cloud, to say the least. Alright, tell me that's normal. What? Oh yeah, that's normal. See the sun simulator oddly shaped. There's an object right there in the middle going towards the center from the right side to the left. Go back and look. I caught it a little too late there. Look at that thing. Actually quite nice outside. Look at the shape of the sun simulator. Awful bright. Jeez, look how huge. Should try to, I mean I can't look with my naked eye, but I can see the brightness around it so big. Way bigger than it should be. Alright, maybe we can try again with the welder's lens. Alright, let's try it. Hold on, something at the top there. What's happening up there? Alright, let's try the welder's lens. Zoom in. -3. 13 for the welder's lens. Zoop. It's too much of the clouds? I don't know. Do we see anything? I don't know. I can't see yet. I'll see it back on playback. I'm telling you people, if this thing is a planet underneath there, we don't have much time. Time is running out. Alright. And we will zoom out and go back. Alright. We got a cloud coming in. Let's see what happens when this cloud goes in. Let's just go to default for a second to see what it would look like. Make it harder to see what's around it when it flashes, see how much more brightness goes around, so it would be easier for them to hide objects. Alright, here we go. Dark cloud going through. Sorry, there's something on my arm. I had to itch it. Alright, it's time for the smashing. Sun simulator smash time. There we go. See, if that was the normal sun, it wouldn't look like this. And that's what I'm trying to get across to people. This is not normal. Thank God a lot of people recognize this. And again, I say, go out for yourself. There's an object up there. Go out for yourself, record, take pictures, take videos for yourself. Look at this blue color. Is our sun blue? Is our sun multicolored blue with a weird disk that passes through? Example, another proof of the sun simulator. How can a light source pass through another light source when the only light source is supposed to be the sun? Only one can be the sun. So now that disk is in there, surrounded by the sun simulator. I consider the sun simulator anything that's producing artificial light. And that is definitely artificial light. That is not the normal sun. Look at it. What do we got over here to the left side? Back off just a little more in case something happens on this other side or bottom or up. Back off a little bit more. Look at this thing coming in. Yep, that's normal. Honestly, ask yourself, have you ever seen this in the, say, 2 years ago or more? Let's just go back even 5 years or more. Think about when you were a kid, especially if you're older than 30. If you're older than 30, think back when you were a kid. Did you ever see this? I never did. Never. Sun simulator smashed on the top. Sun simulator smashed. Look at all that weird haze. And the bright white with the blue around. Go back to default to show you what it would look like on normal brightness. I didn't see it change. I didn't see it change. If I go up above, there we go. There's +1. Default. -3. Alright, so I guess that's it for now. Unless we got something else coming in. Maybe another dark cloud's gonna come in. But I don't care. I say that's not normal. If you don't believe, I don't know. But it's not normal to me. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Ooh, we got some patterns. Got a pattern right there going into the sun simulator from the right to the left. Oh, here we go. Sun simulator turning round. But something is bulging out the right side. And what's that down there? To the 7-ish o'clock position. Alright. It makes those clouds look really strange. Look at this cloud down here. See, some people would say, oh, that looks like a ship. Well, it does kind of look like a ship, maybe. I don't know. But it's a weird looking cloud. Whether there's a ship cloaked in there or not, that's up for you to decide. I don't know about that. But alright, look at this thing right there in the smack middle. From the right side going through, cutting through. It's cutting through the sun simulator. See, if you look at this, doesn't it look like the clouds are going behind the sun? The clouds can't go behind the sun. Unless you're talking about clouds being 93 million miles away. Nope. Ain't happening. It's another proof of the sun simulator. There's so many proofs. Look at the color. White. It ain't supposed to be white. It's supposed to be orange or yellow. It's supposed to be round. Most of the time it's not round. It breaks up into little pieces and halves. Not the sun simulator. What is that? What is that? That looked like an object. Light source can't pass into another light source. Clouds can't go behind. It's not round. It's white. It should be yellow or orange. Those are a few of the main ones of proof, I think, of sun simulator. The size changes. I've seen it huge as can be, and then all the way down to a tiny little dot in the sky. That ain't normal. What's that? What's that? Alright, this is turning into a long video. But, sorry, things happen and things are there. What is that? What's that? What's that? What's that? To the right side, that weird looking cloud. It almost looks like a dragon's head. Maybe not. Kinda, a little, maybe. There's also, we all the time see faces, animals, heads, demons, weird stuff in the clouds. So, what is that? I want to stop this video, but I don't want to miss something. Down below, you got something weird happen. And over to the side there, look at that. See, what we wouldn't see any of this if I had the brightness up. I don't think. We do with default, but if it's up 1, then it covers it more. Back to 3, -3. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. God bless.